Think you know cybersecurity? Prove it in this ultimate test. Which tool analyzes PCP files graphically? What CLI tool captures network packets? Which open source tool is an IDS? What framework replaced the Bro monitor? Which tool uses multi-threading for IDS? What aggregates logs for incident identification? Which popular SIEM tool analyzes logs? What Linux distro focuses on NTA? Which protocol monitors IP traffic flows? What tool sniffs wireless network traffic? Which tool maps networks and ports? What file format stores captured packets? Which tool provides full packet capture? What signature-based IDS uses pig mascot? Which tool visualizes ELK stack data? What component collects logs in ELK? Which tool analyzes network flow data? What monitors network performance and uptime? Which tool uses BPF for filtering? What identifies malicious patterns in traffic? Which tool actively blocks network threats? What open-source SIEM integrates with Kibana? Which protocol mirrors traffic to ports? What tool inspects TLS without decrypting? Which packet analyzer uses the CLI? What analyzes metadata from network traffic? Which tool captures large-scale PSAP data? What detects anomalies in network behavior? Which tool relies on Yara rules? What correlates events across different logs? Which tool decodes protocols for analysis? What filters traffic based on rules? Which tool detects rogue access points? What generates audit records from traffic?